revealed. Tradition stands firm. London under one crown. A legacy carried forward. A nation unshaken. A message of peace.
Where art finds its voice.
Expression without limits.
A city that listens.
A moment beyond words.
Everything aligns.
Change takes flight. Stories that shaped the world.
Life, always growing.
London from every angle.
Always watching ahead. Everything becomes light.
Graced in motion.
Elegance in unity.
Even the sky has oceans. Every story takes the stage.
Peace above all.
Precision without hesitation. Wisdom watches over time. Strength written in the stars. From ashes, we rise. Together, stronger. Words that shaped history. Above the noise, we rise. Driven by motion. Power in harmony. Different lives, one moment. What we felt stays with us.
And we carry it forward.
Strength with compassion.
At the heart of everything.
Time moves us all. The world connected here. London forever. guiding the world.
Hope carried upward.
Finding true direction.
A crown written in the stars.
Another chapter begins.
Step by step.
Every era begins with a key.
Across oceans and ideas.
And time moves forward. Freedom takes flight.
What we build connects us.
The night still has more to tell.
Built to endure and lure.
Guiding the way forward.
The world, once mapped from here.
A call through time. A city always in motion. Time tells our story.
Time is never still.
Rooted in history, reaching forward.
This night belongs to you.
Good night, London.